Ever wondered how much freedom costs? Unveiling Monese account fees. Ever dreamt of ditching the traditional bank and venturing into the world of mobile banking? Maybe you're a freelancer on the go, a student studying abroad, or simply someone who craves financial flexibility. If so, you've probably stumbled upon Monese, the mobile app promising a borderless banking experience. But before you jump on board, a crucial question lingers: how much does this freedom cost? Let's dive deep and unveil Monese account fees, separating myth from reality. Context: traditional versus mobile banking. For decades, brick-and-mortar banks reigned supreme. Monthly fees felt inevitable, and navigating foreign transactions often resulted in hefty charges. Enter mobile banking, a disruptive force challenging the status quo. Convenience, accessibility, and potentially lower fees are the battle cries. Monese stands as a prominent player, offering a current account accessible through your smartphone. But is it truly cost-effective? Buckle up, because we're about to break down the numbers. Monese account tiers, classic versus premium. Monese doesn't offer a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, they provide two account tiers, classic and premium. The classic account serves as the entry point, catering to basic banking needs. Think managing your everyday finances, sending and receiving local transfers, and enjoying a contactless debit card for in-store purchases. Sounds pretty good, right? Here's the catch: the classic account comes with a monthly fee of £7.95, or the equivalent in your local currency. Now, there's a caveat. If you maintain a zero balance in your account, you can potentially avoid this fee. However, for most users, keeping an empty account isn't realistic. Let's talk premium. This tier unlocks additional perks, including higher ATM withdrawal limits, priority customer support, and the ability to send money abroad with slightly better exchange rates. Of course, this convenience comes at a cost, a £14.95 monthly fee. Understanding the fees, a breakdown. Okay, fees are a fact of life with Monese. But beyond the monthly charges, what other hidden costs should you be aware of? Here's a breakdown. Foreign currency transactions. Using your Monese card abroad incurs a 0.5% fee on each transaction. While seemingly small, these charges can add up if you frequently shop overseas. ATM withdrawals. The classic account offers 6 free ATM withdrawals per month. Exceed this limit, and you'll be charged £1 per withdrawal. Premium users enjoy slightly higher limits, but exceeding them still results in fees. International money transfers. Sending money internationally with Monese can be a mixed bag. Transfers between Monese accounts are free and instant, which is a plus. However, sending money to non-Monese accounts incurs a fee, typically ranging from 0.5% to 3%, with a minimum fee of £2. Cost comparison. Is Monese right for you? Now that you grasp Monese fee structure, the big question remains: is it a cost-effective option for you? Here's how to weigh the pros and cons. Frequent travelers. If you travel extensively, the classic account's foreign transaction fees and limited free ATM withdrawals might not be ideal. Upgrading to premium offers some relief, but the costs can still stack up. Traditional banks with travel-friendly features might be a better fit. Regular international transfers. If you frequently send or receive money internationally, the fees associated with non-Monese accounts can become significant. Explore options with competitive international transfer rates, or consider using a money transfer service specializing in low fees. Light users. For those seeking a basic account for everyday local transactions, the classic account, with the caveat of maintaining a balance, could be a cost-effective option. The free contactless debit card and instant transfers between Monese accounts offer added value. Alternatives to Monese. The beauty of the mobile banking revolution is choice. Before committing to Monese, consider exploring competitors like Revolut, Starling Bank, or N26. Each offers unique features and fee structures. Research and compare to find the account that best aligns with your banking habits.